Our firm here is based in the local community and works alongside local businesses. There are 15 staff members here, all come from different backgrounds with varied qualifications. Over the years, I have found that when a candidate is looking for an interview, that the main quality I would look for is that they have done their homework. The other element that I would look for is that the candidate comes in, they're relaxed and feel free to talk about the areas that they may excel in and the areas that they may need a hand in. For each candidate, I do find that it's daunting when you're looking at an application that you may feel that there's certain skills that you might not have, but not to hone in on those and to focus on the elements that you do have. We're here to help you in training you along the way in your career development. When you're working in a small practice, I feel what helps a lot is the exposure that you get that they may not see in the bigger firms. The most important thing I honestly do feel is to keep an open door policy. It can be quite daunting starting off as a trainee. There's lots of questions. We've all been there ourselves, even though at times I know we do forget that. And I always think rather than panicking or stressing, there's no need to do that, to feel free to pop in with the query or the issue that you have on the case and we'll solve it together. As a partner once told me, it's a case-by-case basis and each case is unique. I sit with each of the trainees at the start of the year and I go through the exams that they're hoping to sit that year. I then take this listing and I incorporate it into my client portfolio and see what way I can bring them along with me in the year. So for example, we have one trainee at the moment who is sitting their auditing exam. So I'll be taking him out on site with me over the next few weeks. He will be helping me plan the audit and he will be helping me out on site with collecting information and carrying out tests.